Anger. The emotion anger. The misunderstood anger is strong with me. Anger can be the coal for our ambition, the food that fuels our tank. Being able to live could never be so easy. We'll all feel pain, but it is beyond beautiful to even be able to feel, and a gift we shouldn't take for granted. Fire can destroy us or keep us livid. I think the hardest times have also in some ways been given to me by my own self. Now I know I was my greatest enemy. Nobody and nothing can ever beat me like I could. Don't let go of hatred, the anger, the pain. It is a fuel. Aim the fire in positive, good, productive directions, not self-destructive. Let your heart guide you. Listen to this closest guardian we have in us. What helped humans survive the Ice Age was fire. People are reactionary. Anger and explosiveness, or on the contrary, tears, sadness, silence, isolation, they have something in common. They are both somewhat of a response themselves, and even a trauma response. Except people react differently to the two. Fight, flight, freeze, the trouble is still the same. People are afraid of our anger. There's anger therapists, anger management, but anger is not the problem. It's the way in which we use this fire that anger fuels. Let's be like the phoenix, the fire-loving bird, awakened, reborn,